couple of reasons why I bought the Neewer LED NL660 set. The box is kind of falling apart, but one is that they're each in their own separate bag, carry bag. So if you're using both, that's great for like an interview. But a lot of the times the way I use them is just one at a time, so I can just bring one. Everything you need is in here. The cables go up top, the light itself, which can be adjusted. Nice big panel. And you can put gels on there. Easy to adjust, and you can run them with batteries or the cords. Hope that helps.